Now everyone get ready for your school song. Hands cover up. Inside. Up. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. So I like to call the speakers to deliver their speech. Up. Down. Stand it is. Attention. Stand it is. Attention. So to provide you some information, let's welcome to our respected Vice Principal sir on the stage.
Thank you very much, Coordinator sir. Stand at it. Attention. Cover up. Side talking business you do later, not right now. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Stand it. So, today is the last day of your first term examination. 26th of Asar 2083, Friday. And I can see most of the students, they are with their favorite team's jersey, T-shirts. That's great, because when the school resumes, I think on that day there will be the grand finale of FIFA World Cup 2026. So you are called in our dress today, and some of them are in their jersey as well. So we'll check whether is it possible to conduct some games or not. That's why your exam will be held a little bit early today. Okay? So tiffin time, listen. Tiffin time, grade 8, 9, 10. It will be by 11:40. Remember, 11:40. If your tiffin comes from home, please inform your guardians to bring before that time. And class 4 to 7, your tiffin time is as usual. Class 8, 9, 10, your exam will start by 12 to 3. And class 4 to 7, 1 to 3, 2 hours. And there will be near about 45 minutes left. And let's have some entertaining programs, right? Today you will get summer vacation homework from grade 4 to grade 10. All the classes, they will get vacation homework. Remember, because vacation means that the time of revision and practice as well. There are near about 9 days holidays. So work will be given not too much. From each subject you will get near about 15 questions only. That is all. So 15 sevens are 105. Total 105 questions will be there. So that you have to solve. So all the works must be done in loose sheet so that you can submit and get the marks. And next thing, grade 8, 9, 10, You have got complete holiday till Monday. Okay? That means tomorrow is Saturday, Sunday and Monday holiday. From Tuesday, there will be regular coaching classes. 8, 9, 10. Remember, regular coaching classes from coming Tuesday. That means from 30th of Asar, class 8, 9, your coaching time begins from 8 and ends at 10 a.m. And class 10, you have got little bit longer period, 6 a.m. to 12 noon. So remember, 6 to 12, okay? And your regular teaching learning activities will resume from 4th of Sawan. Remember, on 4th of Sawan, everybody must come as usual time and take part in those regular activities. Still you have got some time for practice. That's why focus on your revision classes and practice and practice and just practice. Attention. Cover up. Cover up everybody. Inside. Hands up. Clap. Hands side, hands down. Stand at it. Attention. Okay, march time. Class 4 girls move forward and class 10 boys about turn and go to class.